Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Daniel Cho, aka Freedom Warrior. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest way for you to make between $100 to $500 a day online, even if you are a beginner. Now, if you are new to my channel, well, my name is Daniel, and my channel is all about how to build and grow your online business, especially with affiliate marketing. If you are new to my channel, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to show you everything I do on daily basis so you can learn the skills and you can start making money online. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any of my future videos. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in. And in today's method, I'm gonna talk about this method called launch jacking. What is launch jacking? The launch jacking is the method that you basically promote the products that are not released yet. Once this product is launched, okay, and all those super affiliates who are promoting this product are going to drive in massive traffic and massive interest to this product launch. And this is where we come in and we basically hijack part of those traffic and direct them to our offer. So those people, basically super affiliates, are going to send in those traffic to our bonus page. And we hijack that traffic, we convert those traffic into the actual sales through our affiliate link, and that's how we get paid. So let me just quickly show you. This is my some of my personal results just by doing launch jacking alone. So you can get an idea how much money you can potentially make if you master this skill. Okay, and to make $100 to $500 a day with launch jacking, I mean, is very achievable because my mentor, who is the master of this method, he is making over 7 figures per year. So you know how much potential it is with this method. And this is my YouTube channel. So you can see basically I have a lot of product launches that I'm promoting, okay, through this launch jacking method. And you can see this is how I organize all the product launches with Google Calendar. So I'm going to break it down in 3 simple steps so you can learn and start right away. Step number 1 is to find the upcoming product launch that you can come in and promote. So where we find those product launches, you go to muncheye.com, and this website basically lists out all the future product launches, and you just select a couple of the product launches that you like to promote. For example, let's go to this one. This product, Media Cloud Pro 2.0, will be launched on January 30th, so 5 days from now. And you click on this product, then it's going to take you to their JV page. This is what we call JV page. And you find a button where you can apply for your affiliate link. The first step is to apply for your affiliate link because you have to have the affiliate link with this product in order to make commissions, okay, by promoting it. So click on affiliate link. It's going to take you to the platform where this product will be launched. And in this case, it's going to be on JVZoo. Okay, so you just click on get links. Okay, I already have the link already approved. But if you are not approved, you just simply fill out the application to tell the vendor how you are planning to promote this product. For example, you can say, I plan on promoting this product to my email list with 500 email subscribers or 2,000 email subscribers. It doesn't matter, but you have to tell the vendor how you are planning to promote this product so they know that you know what you are doing. Then they're going to approve you. Once you get approved, you just grab your link with some other informations on its JV page. Then you organize it into in your Google Calendar. For example, this one, okay? And you need to have your affiliate link. Then you're gonna grab your JV document. JV document means that the vendor give you all the necessary information, pricing, content, sometimes demo video with in its JV documents. Okay, so you just grab So you just grab the JV documents. For example, this one JV document is not ready yet, but it's going to be coming up in the next few days. So you grab your JV documents with all the necessary information for you to promote this product, and you grab demo video. The next step after your affiliate link gets approved, you're going to reach out to the vendor. You can find their contact information on the JV page. Usually it's at the bottom of the JV page, okay? So you just reach out to the product vendor and request a review copy of this product. The vendor is going to give you a temporary access or review access to this product, so you can test out the product, and later on we're going to make a review video about this product. So that's step number one. Step number two is to create your bonus page. In order to be successful with this launch jacking method, basically we are using our bonuses to sell this product for us, okay? Because all those super affiliates, they may not spend a good amount of time preparing high value bonuses because they have a huge email list. So when they send out information about this product launch, some of their email subscribers, okay, the most skeptical email subscribers will hop on either Google or YouTube to do more research before they purchase the product. Then they're gonna find our review video. I'm gonna show you how to make a review video in just a second. So they're gonna find our review video about this product. They watch our review video, then they're gonna realize our bonuses are way better than what other people are offering. Then they're gonna click on our affiliate link to buy this product in order to get our bonuses, and then we get paid when the sales is made. The next step is to create your bonus page. I'm also going to list out all the tools I'm going to talk about in today's video in the video description down below, so you can check them out and pick up those tools if you like. I'm also going to tell you a few places that you can find and grab your bonuses, okay? Also, I put that information in the video description down below. So to create your bonus page, I'm going to show you this tool called Commission Gorilla. Okay, this is the tool I'm using. Commission Gorilla is very easy to use. This is an example, a bonus page I have prepared for a product launch, which is going to be launched tomorrow, okay, 8 hours from now. So I have my bonus page ready to go. It looks very nice with all the amazing bonuses, professionally designed images and all that. So I'm ready to rock and roll when the product is launched tomorrow. And it's not difficult to create this kind of bonus page at all, okay, if you use Commission Gorilla. And this is the back end of the Commission Gorilla. Basically, to create a bonus page, you just use its drag and drop function. Then I would say you spend like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, then you can create a page like this, ready to go with your review video. So check out this tool, Commission Gorilla. Click on the link in my in the video description down below. So once you have your bonus page ready, then the last step, step number 3, is to shoot your review video. To shoot your review video, you just grab this free software. You go to Google, search OBS Studio, or you can simply type in obsproject.com. Then, based on your operating system, Windows or Mac OS, you just download the free software, install it in your computer. Then you are ready with a webcam or professional camera, it doesn't matter. You can use that camera with this software to create a review video, just like what I'm doing right now. Okay, I'm using this OBS free software myself. So once you have your review video ready, then you're gonna go back to your YouTube account, okay, your YouTube channel, and upload that review video to your YouTube channel. And also you're gonna put that bonus link, okay, the bonus page link we just created with Commission Gorilla in your video description. So when people search for this product review, they're gonna find your review video. And I can tell you, because this is a new product launch, it is very easy to rank your review video at the top spot of the Google YouTube page. Okay, so there will be a lot of traffic, a lot of viewers that are gonna find your review video. They're gonna watch your video, then they're gonna click on your bonus page link. Then once they get to your video, they click on your bonus page link. They're gonna see your bonus page, and if they like your bonuses, they're gonna click on this button, which is gonna direct them to the actual product sales page, so they can make a purchase there, and you will get paid by commission. Okay. Now, for those of you who would like to dive in deep on mastering this skill and also learn other critical skills to make a full-time income with your affiliate marketing business, you can I'm going to put a link in the video description down below. I'm going to invite you to this free master class. Okay, this is a 3-step process that's going to teach you how to build a business without your own product, website, or any tech experience. So you can click on that link and join this free master class, and to learn all the fundamental skills to for you to start your affiliate marketing business. I encourage you to spend some time to check out this free master class. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions about how to do launch jacking, or if you have any questions about affiliate marketing business, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section down below with all your questions. I will make sure to reply your messages personally. If you do like today's content, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next videos. Take care.